Okay, Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. Hi everybody. Okay. Ni jiran saya. Hai, okay. Apa yang kita promise, 2 suku. Okay, genap 2 suku. Ini adalah FB Live. Saya nak interview jiran saya yang saya dah introduce beliau, Alora Pence, selama 2 tahun. Beliau cakap bodoh sudah. Dia tidak yakin, tapi selepas beliau ada masalah dan beliau cari saya untuk kasih rendah sikit. Okey, betul kan? Betul kan? Okey, bila hai Rashida. Hai. Assalamualaikum. Waalaikumsalam. Hai Kak Anum. Okey. Ni ada testimoni yang sangat hebat kita nak kongsikan Alora Pence dengan Slang Glow. Okey. So, beliau adalah seorang jiran saya yang saya telah introduce beliau Alora Pence selama 2 tahun. Beliau tak nak. Tapi selepas beliau ada masalah, barulah beliau cari saya pula. Okey. So, jadi sekarang ni saya nak minta beliau berkongsi. Jadi maybe Wati, you introduce diri you dululah.
Okay. Nama I Wati. I actually joined BE daripada last month under SV2. Okay, alhamdulillah. So far I'm working part time. Maaf I punya Melayu ni a bit difficult.
Campur.
Okay.
Campur.
So I full time worker, and then I also helping my mom on her online food business. Okay, so macam Surani cakap, dia actually recommended me this product last 2 years. Tapi bila tak kena, kita tak kisah kan. Jadi bila dah kena, so I actually have macam my back ache, then I have also knee pain, and then kaki I selalu bengkak. So that's why I was looking at her Facebook tag all this while, and then when I go into testimonial, I nampak, why not? Maybe I should try this. So that's why I call RCA Suryani ni, cakap boleh tak I pergi beli dengan you lagi, masih boleh terima tak? So that's the reason why I start on my Alora Pence. Even I should say it's a set, because I have the top, I also have the socks. Okay, alhamdulillah, after wearing this, let's say almost 2 months, 1 month plus.
Within a few days you can see the effect.
Within this, the 3 days, I keep going on my toilet trip.
Bila you baru pakai lah.
Baru pakai the first 3 days. I pakai pants dulu. So pants is my daily thing lah. That means pagi, petang I pakai aja. I never really take it off. So my toilet trips is very often. Lepas tu kan, after my toilet trip, then I found out that my leg become less swollen. Dia tak bengkak tau.
Water retention.
I believe it's water. I have water retention.
Okay.
So that's why it becomes, because of this, I punya bila kaki dah tak bengkak, dah tak sakit tau. So then after that I start on the socks. So socks also help me to actually circulate the blood flow better. Then lepas tu I actually try and measure myself. It seems like I'm also reducing about 2 kilos.
2 kilo?
2 kilos in maybe I should say 1 month.
2 kilo 1 month dengan Alora Pence saja. Okay, dengan Alora Pence saja 2 kilo. No exercise
No.
Pakai saja. And I think I heard you also cakap initially before that you also sembahyang kena. Okay, you share about
because bila dah sakit pinggang dengan kaki tu, I tak boleh sembahyang sujud macam biasa tau. Because this is affected. So that's when the reason why I mungkin kuasa Allah ni bila I doa kan, I cakap ya Allah berikan aku hidayah. So that's the time really I saw the tag from you about the Alora Pence again. So that's why I call you. Then lepas tu kelang kabut lah kan cari. Then alhamdulillah ni dah dekat 1 month ni I managed to sujud.
I think before, I think less than 1 week I dengar you dapat, is it?
Yes. About 1 week I already done.
About 1 week saja beliau pakai Alora Pence, dia dah boleh back sembahyang to normal. Alhamdulillah, okay. And then the water retention also reduced. And I think her mother testimony also say, your mother also okay.
My mother also.
Tapi hari ni kita nak, Alora Pence kita dah biasa dengar. Tapi hari ni kita nak dengar pasal Slang Glow. Kan? Okay. Okay, seriously bila I dengar testimoni beliau dengan auntie beliau, I myself also get so excited. Okay, jadi kita jangan lama-lama, kita dengar perkongsian beliau about herself and her auntie. So you share about yourself first.
Okay. So Slang Glow, actually as we understand dia baru been out last week. 10th of March. So that's the reason why I cepat-cepat lagi. I don't want to be the last to get to use this. So that's why that's why I go and call CCA Surani, please help me to take one stock at least the whole full
set
stock,
lah, one
one
set.
set. Yeah.
Promotion
So
set.
Alhamdulillah I have it. So I start using it. Okay, bila myself when I start using it like usual lah, I tak double up myself with exercise because I don't have really the time to do that lah. Kalau
Memang selalu orang tak ada.
So
ada
sebab
pun
tu
tak ada.
sebab tu, but then the main thing, kalau kita tak exercise, kita susah nak kuruskan badan.
Exactly.
Itu satu.
Betul,
Nombor
betul,
dua,
betul.
lemak yang dalam badan tu, itu yang saya risau ni sekarang. Because if let's say the lemak within our heart, the vital organs is not reduced, the
Visceral fat.
visceral fats,
Yeah.
is not reduced, it will become very, very bad in future.
Yeah.
At a young age now, bila kita tak start doing, looking after all these organs, nanti diorang pun give up on us, you see. So that's the reason this Slen Glow, Alhamdulillah, when it's first introduced, well, I should appreciate BA founders for being so
thank
kind
you,
to, so
Yes,
thankful
correct.
that they actually recommended and have this. And furthermore, this is like all from botanic extract.
Yes.
So tak ada chemicals, nothing. So
Yes,
that's the
that's the
reason why.
best and it's halal.
Yeah, correct. That's halal also. So, itu yang paling important. So that's why when I start using this, consume, yeah.
You tak pakai?
yeah, consume. Alora I pakai. Okay, when I start taking this, 1 week, I dah almost 1 week ni, it's like 2 kilo more.
Okay,
now.
2 kilo plus. But maybe you share how you
plus.
feel. How you feel bila you makan Alora
Okay.
Pens. Bila you
the
makan Slen Glow.
Okay.
Okay.
Alora tu kita dah rasa ringan tau badan because that's why I can boleh sujud all this back. Then when this with Slen Glow, I believe I reduce more and then I feel my badan really ringan. Alhamdulillah. Yeah, that's why with exercise I believe it will be better.
Tapi
Yeah,
you
but
then you makan macam mana? You control?
My diet has been always normal. Semenjak I makan ni, I tak control. It's just that I get the meal replacement, of course. Itu yang kasi I kenyang.
Slender's meal. Dia makan dengan Slender's meal.
Yeah.
And she feel very full with Slender's meal.
Correct.
Kan?
So usually I punya lunch will be quite late after I eat my Slender's meal in the morning tau. So that's why it's really a good meal replacement.
Yes.
Right. So we are looking into now Ramadan coming.
Yeah.
This could be a very good meal replacement for us. Yes. Okay, at least kita tak ada gastric.
Betul?
I also got very bad gastric also, a problem there. So then after that, bila kita take this Slen Glow, I punya appetite a little bit smaller lah, I should say. Same kind of food, same thing that is...
same kind of food
same kind of food.
Bagusnya. Okay.
That at least I
Alhamdulillah.
tak
So,
ada,
I mean, not really to be so strict lah.
No, yes, correct. So,
But I heard you say smaller portion.
smaller portion, it's just that your appetite is blocked like that. You dah tak boleh makan that big portion already. Tapi Alhamdulillah, pasal kita tak, we don't change. I don't change my food intake. As in like the thing that I'm taking. So lontong is still all okay.
Lontong. Alamak, bestnya kalau diet boleh makan macam gini kan.
Tapi cuma smaller portion. Very smaller size.
Bestnya.
Tapi of course lah, kalau kita
produk
nak better, reduce more, lagi ringan badan kita, we should go for more
such
good.
What do you feel is such a awesome product betul tak?
It is.
So it make us healthier inside and prettier outside. I mean, bila kurus tu nampak lah lebih lawa sikit aja. Okay.
Sikit,
But the most important thing is that it's natural, it's halal, and it makes to go down to dieting is much easier because they suppress kita punya appetite.
Betul. Okay. Tapi itu yang pada kita yang orang obese, I should say obese lah. For me, I'm obese. That's why I think this is a good. It's a good diet kind of
program. It's a good diet program
correct.
because paling susah bila kita badan besar ni, kita punya urge of eating is very great. Kerana nak makan aja. Tapi dengan kita punya Slen Glow ni really suppress kita punya appetite. So memang a very awesome product.
Correct.
Okay, so nanti dia ada lagi satu testimony. Ya Allah, saya dengar saya pun macam, ya Allah, aku pun nak lah. 1 minggu dengan Slen Glow saja lost 4 kilo. Okay, let's hear. Okay, come to.
Okay. So Slen Glow.
Maybe you introduce your auntie first.
Okay, can. My auntie, she's actually almost 60 years old now. And dia tak obese. She's very slim. Her BMI is good. Okay, so she was quite skeptical bila mula-mula dia nak ambil.
Tapi
Because
kenapa dia nak ambil? Dia dah slim? Kenapa dia nak ambil?
that's why. Bila I actually terterakan pada yang visceral fats tu,
Oh, okay,
so
betul.
she say, oh, maybe she might have. Pasal apa? Walaupun kurus, tetap ada lemak-lemak yang tertentu. So that's why she tried. So 1 week. She took last week. So this week, she already told me this morning, I actually shed 4 kilo. Betul ke? Dia kata gitu. She slim lah. Okay, but then dia punya impact is that, okay, kerja dia tak banyak exercise. Okay, only hantar cucu biasa.
Pergi jalan,
pergi balik.
That means she don't change her daily routine
No,
lah.
she
Routine
don't.
the same.
Tapi bila dia buat kerja rumah tu, dia rasa badan dia makin ringan, makin cepat, dia tak rasa penat.
Yeah.
Dia
tak apa.
rasa
More
penat
energy.
more energy. Yes, correct. Okay. And then, of course, with the water that she's drinking, she drink warm water every day, almost 8 glasses. Right.
That's what she practiced after taking
Slang Glow. Correct. So then, tapi bila dia pergi, I'm so sorry, bila her toilet trip, she was saying that is terrible.
Terrible kenapa? Kena share lah.
Okay.
Dia punya
najis berminyak.
Masya Allah.
But she's slim BMI okay, but her najis is berminyak. So that's why she believes.
Fat, dia burn the fat lah.
Yes.
And then mungkin pemakanan dia yang dia makan tu, dia punya fat keluarkan.
Betul. So that's
4 kilo in 1 week, siapa yang tak nak? And then she's not fat. She's not obese, she's slim and she's 60 years old. Definitely is internal kita punya fats dari dalaman, because this product also dapat kurangkan lemak-lemak dalam badan kita, they burn our fat dalam badan kita, and also the 4 function of kita punya Slang Glow ni lah yang paling bagus. Pertama, I rasa untuk orang dieting yang paling utama adalah suppress kita punya appetite. Itulah yang paling nafsu-nafsi. Dan kedua, dia burn our fat. So fat, and then there's a lot of technology behind our Slang Glow. So that's why kita boleh nampak banyak awesome result about this product.
Correct.
Okay, saya sendiri pun dalam 2 bulan. Saya pun tak pernah sangka saya boleh turun tak banyak lah, 7 kilo dalam 2 bulan. Okay, so ada orang lagi banyak, tapi it makes the slimming journey, the dieting journey lebih mudah kerana the product, the technology behind the product is really awesome, okay? Jadi kita nak kena cakap terima kasih banyak-banyak kepada BE founder, Mr. Ayali Susan, Miss Ho Chin dan Miss Karen Leong kerana memberi kita satu produk, okay, yang sangat awesome, menjadikan ramai orang lebih slim dengan lebih mudah, insya-Allah. Lagi-lagi kita nak Ramadan ni kan, kalau kita boleh start makan daripada sekarang, kita dapat control diet kita more energy. Kalau kita lebih slimmer a bit, kita lost weight lagi, kita boleh tarawih dengan lebih sempurna, kan? Ringan. And then hari raya boleh bergaya di hari raya. Amin. Okay, jadi before we end, okay, anything about your auntie that we miss or not? Okay, start there. Okay, because I'm really amazed with the auntie punya testimony, because makan sama, daily routine sama, tak ada exercise, tapi dia pun tak gemuk, tapi boleh kurang 4 kilo. It's actually, and bila dia pergi toilet, is all oily. That is the most important thing. Okay, so before we end, I nak maybe Wati want to say anything to all the people out there. You want to share? You also, okay, she also adalah my ambassador last month. She really, kerana keyakinan beliau pada produk Alora, dia belum ada Slang Glow kan, dengan Alora Pens, kerana keyakinan tu dalam masa berapa? 1 minggu
10 days.
10 days saja beliau log in, she dapat close 12,000 PJS. Okay, so kerana keyakinan beliau on Alora Pen, she just do sincere sharing dengan keluarga beliau. Okay, so maybe you want to say anything, maybe about the product ke, kan seorang tak percaya Alora, Slang Glow, and then also the opportunity, maybe you want to say anything to your friend out there.
Actually, when we do not know about these products, it's all going to be a very expensive product.
Yeah, we
right?
say it's expensive.
Yeah, it's very
correct.
expensive. Bila orang dengar je Alora Pens, of course everybody will run away. I believe everybody is doing that so now. Tapi the worth of this money to your health is cannot be compared. So you because now we need the good health in order for us to proceed, you see, in life. So that's why now lagi ni Slang Glow ni, it will give you what do you call that, better products to make yourself healthy. Then bila sekarang ni lagi kita nak ke Ramadan, kita punya energy untuk tarawih insya-Allah. So untuk berpuasa, insya-Allah all these are good things that we should be looking at lah. So money, yes, correct, it's very expensive if you were, it's a pain lah for you to fork it out, but then this product, all product in BE, I should say, is very worthwhile. Kalau tak try, I think you will know the result. Yes.
Alhamdulillah. Okay, thank you very much for listening, for watching. Okay, inshallah, more good news. Maybe we are looking for time to meet dengan auntie, to interview her auntie personally. Okay, bye guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.